In early pregnancy, a new life begins with rapid change. At 4 weeks, the embryo is no larger than a grain of rice. By 6 weeks, tiny limbs bud and a heartbeat flickers. At 8 weeks, fingers and facial features emerge. 10 weeks, the profile becomes unmistakable.
Inside the placenta, maternal blood delivers oxygen and nutrients. Blue-lit molecules move into the umbilical vein, flowing toward the baby. Through the twin arteries, waste and carbon dioxide travel back, shown here as golden light. With every step, life grows quietly within. The world outside is bright and warm, and inside, a small heart beats in rhythm with mine. Floating, turning, dreaming. Within the quiet shelter of the womb, an embryo transforms. What was once a cluster of cells now takes on the early shape of a human body. Limbs bud, a tiny heart beats beneath translucent skin, and the head. Nestled safely within the amniotic sac, the baby is now in the second trimester. Organs are formed and growing, tiny fingers and toes flex, and the heart beats with steady rhythm. Surrounded by nourishing fluid and connected to the placenta through the umbilical